Good morning, dear students. My name is Sadev from KV Chakpikarong. Today, we are going to do our geography book, and the chapter is The Earth in the Solar System. Dear students, have you seen the sky after sunset? What you have seen? You have seen one or two bright dots shining in the sky. Soon you would see the number increasing. You cannot count them. The whole sky is filled with them. Some are very bright, some is dim. Along with these bright objects, you may also see the moon on the most of the days. It may have appeared at different times, in different shapes and different position. You can see the full moon only once in about a month's time. It's a full moon night or Purnima. A fortnighter, you cannot see it all. It's a new moon night, or we can call it a Amavasya. On this day, you can watch the night sky best, provided it is a clear night. So, the sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made of gases. They have their own heat and light, which they emit in large amounts. These celestial bodies are called stars. The sun is also a star. Now, while watching the night sky, you may notice various patterns formed by different groups of stars. These are called constellations. Ursa Major or Big Bear, we call it a Big Bear, recognize constellation in small bear, if we can say Saptarisi. And beside this, there is a pole star which is fixed in north direction. In ancient time, people used to determine direction using the help of stars. The north indicates north direction. It is also called the pole stars. It always remain in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of the pole star with this star. Now, the solar system. The sun, eight planets, satellites, some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. We often call it a solar family with the sun as its head. Now we will talk about the sun. The sun is in the center of the solar system. It is huge and made of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. But a tremendous heat is not felt so much because it is our nearest star. It is very, very far away from us. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Now we will talk about planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, we can locate first Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in a fixed paths. These paths are elongated. They are called orbits. Mercury is nearest to the sun. Now we will talk about the Earth. We live on our Earth. We can see from the space like that. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun in size. It is the fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattered at the poles. That's why its shape is described as a geoid. Geoids mean an Earth-like shape. It is a living planet. There are many favorable conditions that supports life in the Earth. On the Earth, sorry. The Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air, which are very essential for our survival. The air has life supporting gases like oxygen. Because of this reason, the Earth is unique planet in the solar system. If we see from outer space, the Earth appears blue planet. Why? Because its two-thirds surface is covered by water. It is therefore called a blue planet. Now we will talk about satellite. There are two types of satellites. First, natural satellite. What is natural satellite? Natural satellites means that are made by nature. Our Earth has only one satellite, one natural satellite, that is the Moon. Its diameter is only one third that of the Earth. It appears too big because it is very near to us. It is about 384,400 kilometers away from us. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the earth. The moon does not have any condition for life. It has neither water nor air. It has only mountains, plains, and depressions on its surface. These cast shadow on the moon's surface. Look at the full moon and observe these shadows. Now, we will talk about man made satellites. What are they? Man made satellites is an artificial body. It is designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communications. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. Some of the Indian satellites in space are INSAT, IRS, as you said, many more. Now, we will talk about asteroids. Apart from stars, planets, and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the Sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. You can find out, you can see the, the planet number 4 and 5. Between planet number 4 and 5, there is a row of asteroids. So you can watch it how they are. Now we will talk about meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks which moves around the sun are called meteoroids. Some these meteoroids came near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burnt, falls on the earth and create a hollow. Now we will talk about galaxies. Dear students, Do you see a whitish broad band like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night? It is a cluster of millions of stars. This band is the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is a part of this galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined to be river of light flowing the sky. Thus, its name Akash Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars, clouds of dust, and gases. These are million of such galaxies universe. Make the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Yet scientists are still trying to find out more about it. We can calculate that we live on the earth and our earth lies in our solar system, which has eight planets and one sun, and our solar system is in Milky Way galaxy, and there are numberless of galaxies in the universe. So we cannot imagine what is the length of universe. I hope that you will learn from this chapter of this video. Thank you and have a nice of day.